Factory Forex Trading. Forex Factory is no stranger to Forex traders. A place or gathering place for Forex traders from all over the world to more easily monitor the movement of foreign currency values. In addition to investing in stock, mutual funds, and investing in gold, online forex trading is quite popular among young people, including millennials. Forex stands for foreign exchange. Forex Factory site. Forex Factory has a product or service, among others. First, Forex Forum. Two, Forex Trading. 3. Forex News. 4. Forex Calendar. 5. Forex Market. 6. Forex Brokers. And 7. Trade Explorer. Benefits of Forex Factory. The benefits of Forex Factory for traders are many, including news or economic events that are presented for Forex trading needs. Forex Factory news can be a source of reference for traders in transactions. In addition, the Forex Factory site is also useful for learning Forex fundamentals. As well as conducting online discussions with other traders from various countries. Your insight or knowledge will increase through the available forum features.